Criminals are having a tougher time with new security technology. Just ask 37-year-old Frank Johnson, who was dressed as an air conditioner repairman in 2018 when he was caught trying the doors on a home in the Dayton Beach area. The homeowner wasn't there, but when he got a Ring camera security alert on his phone, he was able to speak directly with the would-be burglar. "Hey dude, get the F out of my yard. Cops are on the way."
"Hey dude, get the f*** out of my yard. The cops are on the way."
This was just before 10 a.m. Within minutes, the homeowner was sharing images of the suspect and his vehicle with the deputy and with the Volusia County Crime Center, which monitors the Ring neighborhood portal for cases just like these. At 10:23 a.m., a deputy spotted the truck and pulled it over, later arresting Johnson on several active warrants for grand theft, dealing in stolen property, and other charges, plus the new charges from the recent attempted burglary.
Hello? What's going on? Is this your car?
Yeah.
Your registration's expired?
It is.
Can I see the registration?
Yeah. I'm in between jobs.
Where are you working at right now?
Right now, I'm kind of self-employed.
What are you doing?
AC work.
Is that who you used to work for?
Yeah.
You're still doing AC work?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here's the deal. He's in between jobs. He does AC work, but he's wearing his old AC business uniform, like he represents AC companies. He hasn't paid insurance in over 3 months, so it's not insured. It's expired. So he's probably acting like he's AC people trying to 21.
The Ring video showed Johnson arriving in his burgundy pickup at the home on Granada Avenue and walking up to knock on the front door. After receiving no answer, Johnson pulled on the front door handle and then went to the back of the house and peered into the windows and tried the back door. But instead of gaining access, the would-be burglar was confronted by the homeowner's voice.
"Hey dude, get the f*** out of my yard. The cops are on the way."
That was enough to send Johnson fleeing. When he was arrested, Johnson was wearing the same hat, AC repair shirt, shorts, and flip-flops as seen in the video.
It's felony warrant, grand theft.
Yep, what's going on?
Yeah, stolen property, dealing stolen property, pawned items, everything.
Oh, yeah.
Turn on the cans on your back.
The Port Orange man was transported to Volusia County Branch Jail, where he remains in custody today on 9 charges carrying a total of $28,000. Does this chilling piece of doorbell footage showcase a peeping Tom caught in the act? You decide. Look at the white car in this video. He reverses straight into a car parked right behind him, and instead of leaving some kind of note behind, he flees the scene of the incident. Karen doesn't seem to realize that she was on camera when she stole this neighbor's mail. This truly shocking piece of doorbell footage captures the moment a thief is confronted by the homeowner.
Come on!
Leesburg police arrest a woman after the homeowner watches the burglary occur on the Ring doorbell camera app. The creepiest part of this footage is that the man didn't stop by this person's house on a single occasion. The man had already been to this woman's house 4 different times, each time seen peering into her windows and lurking around the property. These people were getting a pizza delivered, and when they looked at their doorbell footage, they heard some strange whispers and scratching noises that seemed to be close to the camera. In this video, a man walks up to this person's house and rings the bell, and for whatever reason, can be seen carrying around a live mouse. The homeowner didn't answer, and the strange man walked away. This man was caught on camera destroying their neighbor's property after he was caught stealing a package. Take a look at this video where this would-be thief was confronted by the homeowner via the Ring doorbell camera.
Whoa. That thing just moved, dog. I was just leaving a flyer. Maybe it follows me. That's sick. That's creepy as I heard it move. Quit watching me, dog.
These 2 girls are headed in after a fun night out, but lurking behind is this creepy man who makes a charge for them, but ends up running into a brick wall instead.
Glance at me. Oh my God!
I'm a peasant from the 1500s, and I just want some earwax. I need nutrition, and think of it as a free ear cleaning, perhaps. That will maybe do. And it's, oh no, no, I got it.
The 2 girls luckily manage to make it inside before the guy can get back up on his feet. A Sacramento mother is scared for her young family's safety and wants law enforcement to take action.
Yeah, my social services. You know, I hear a child crying in there, a little baby.
You need to leave.
Hello?
I'm calling the cops.
Her Ring camera captured a man coming to her door 4 times in recent weeks, including late at night, claiming to be from social services. Imagine watching your home being broken into while you're trapped inside with the burglar. That's exactly what happened to this woman who locked herself in her room while a stranger rummaged through her house. She watched it happen in real time because the phone was connected to the security cameras. The alarm eventually went off and caused the burglar to run away. Stay tuned for our #1 pick that will shock you. This man was robbed at gunpoint, and it was all captured by this Ring doorbell camera. Thanks for watching. Stay vigilant, friends.